Ideal for providing compression and support for postnatal or post-abdominal surgery, abdominal strains and weakness. Designed with multiple elastic support panels and features flannel lining, which helps prevent rolling. Contact closure allows for easy adjustment, and ensures a proper fit. Made of latex-free elastic, this abdominal binder will provide your midsection with the support you need. Universal design is intended for both men and women. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. After surgery to move my abdomen skin to my leg to cover a hole in it, I got a belly band from the hospital that started wearing out pretty quickly and I had to wear one for a while longer still. These worked great and were more comfortable than the one they sent me home with from the hospital.